Okay, I'll let you know when you're ready. Oh!
Are you okay? Good evening, everybody. Let me preface this by saying no one was hurt in the filming of this video. We just had a 3.5 hour round trip drive to get these doors, lots of time to think, and decided why not be dramatic? So, we found a great deal on Facebook Marketplace in one of the discount liquidator type stores. They had these doors, solid pine 5-panel, for about 30% less than the big box stores. And they already had the black hardware that we want. So we saved another, is that 5%, I suppose? I haven't done the math. It was too good of a deal not to jump in the truck and run out to Cincinnati and back again. But a bit of a large parachute back here, as it's stuck up quite a ways above the cab of the truck, and made for a little slow going coming back. We had to strap it down really well and watch out for the wind. But she held together. Now we're gonna get her unloaded and stored away until it's ready to paint them up. Bo, back up. The doors won't fit into the trailer on the skid. So I'm gonna have to unbolt them from each other and from the skid and carry them into the trailer one at a time. That's fine. At some point they'd have to be unbolted anyways to prep them for paint. So I'm gonna do that. I may bolt them all back together in a square off of the skid inside. But again, I mean, you can see from looking at the trailer to looking at the doors, they're still not gonna fit in and out as a group. So they'll have to be unbolted again. But for safe storage, we'll do that. Well, just in time, it started raining. We discovered that the doors were too tall for the trailer as well, and easier to just move them into a spot here in the shop, which has gotten very full with everything. But we got it inside, literally just started raining, so it was perfect timing. The best news is all of the paperwork is done, all of the permits are issued, everything is okayed and good to go. I'm meeting with my foundation guy on Tuesday because he is going to start excavating and laying block on Thursday. So all of the waiting hopefully is behind us, and now it's time to get to work. So watch for many more videos coming out much more often. Thanks for watching.